In this section of the course, we're going to talk about security techniques. In the digital age, the importance of robust security techniques cannot be overstated. As we are increasingly relying on technology for a plethora of tasks, the need to protect our systems and data from potential threats have become paramount. This section delves into the diverse world of security techniques, exploring the various strategies, tools, and methodologies employed to protect different digital assets. From traditional firewalls and antivirus software to more advanced techniques such as biometric authentication, encryption, and intrusion detection systems, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the landscape of security techniques. We will also discuss the evolving nature of these techniques in response to the changing landscape of cyber threats. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a novice in the field, this section will equip you with the knowledge that you need to understand and implement effective security measures. So, in this section of the course, we'll be focusing solely on Domain 4, specifically Objectives 4.1 and 4.5. Objective 4.1 states that given a scenario, you must be able to apply common security techniques to computing resources. Objective 4.5 states that given a scenario, you must be able to modify enterprise capabilities to enhance security. First, we'll go over wireless infrastructure security. Wireless networks have become an integral part of our daily lives. From personal use in our homes to large-scale operations and businesses, these networks facilitate seamless communication and data exchange. However, the convenience of wireless connectivity also brings with it a host of security challenges. Next, we're going to jump into discussion of wireless security settings. We're going to go over WPA3, AAA, Radius, cryptographic protocols, and authentication protocols. Then we're going to talk about application security, including input validation, secure cookies, static code analysis, dynamic code analysis, code signing, and sandboxing. After that, we're going to discuss network access control, or NAC. NAC is a security solution that enforces policies on devices and users in the network. It is designed to protect networks from potential threats by restricting the availability of network resources to endpoint devices and users. Next, we're going to discuss web and DNS filtering. In this lesson, we will cover agent-based web filters, centralized proxies, URL scanning, content categorization, block rules, and reputation. Then, we'll take a look at email security, and we'll talk about some important protocols like DMARC, DKIM, SPF, and Gateway Protocol, as well as covering some spam filtering techniques. After that, we will dive into endpoint detection and response, or EDR. EDR is a cybersecurity technology that continuously monitors and collects data from endpoint devices like computers, tablets, or smartphones in order to identify, investigate, and prevent potential cybersecurity threats. Next, we're going to cover user behavior analytics. User behavior analytics is a process that leverages machine learning, data analytics, and user behavior patterns to identify potentially harmful activities within a system or network. By establishing a baseline of normal behaviors, UBA systems can detect anomalies or deviations. Then, we will cover selecting secure protocols. This includes protocol selection, port selection, and transport method selections. And finally, we will take a short quiz to see what you learned during this section of the course and review each one of those quiz questions to fully ensure that you can explain why the right answers were right. So, let's jump into the coverage of various security techniques that we can utilize in this section of the course.